Now I'm going to be teaching you how to save the PDF, and that PDF file will be used for final print and then emailed for final print. Now, first thing you want to do before you actually go to print and set up for print is you want to turn this eye icon off from the template layer so that all that gray disappears. Then go to File and then Print. Make sure that the printer is set to Adobe PDF and go to Setup. Go OK. Adobe PDF is selected. Hit Preferences. And then what you want to do is I'm going to show you how to create your own default settings so that you get the best result from your PDF on final print. So what you want to do is at the default settings, press the Edit button. It will take a while for the settings to pop up on the window, but this is actually very crucial, very essential, because what you do here will actually show on final print. Now what you want to do is when this window pops up, pretty much everything's okay. You want to make sure that your compatibility is set at Acrobat 5.0. Binding is left, resolution 600. Then the default page size is 8.5 by 11. And you go to your images, so you select this folder. Make sure that your downsampling is set to off. Pixels per inch is 300 and compression to zip. Same thing for grayscale images. Downsampling off. Pixels per inch is 300. Compression is set to zip. And then monochrome images, bicubic downsampling to 1200, 1800, and so forth. You go to fonts, make sure that the embed all fonts checkbox is checked, as well as the subset embedded fonts box is checked. Color, you want your settings file set to none, and advanced. Pretty much everything you see here is correct. Make sure all that's checked, and make sure that standards reflects everything that you see here in this window. And then you just go to Save As or OK. I'd already set up mine, so it's going to say OK. And then you're going to just name your file a particular name. And then you hit Save. I don't need to save because mine's already set up that way. So what that's going to do is it's going to bring you back to this page. Whatever was here is going to change and have the name that you just saved it as appear here. When that's there, you just hit OK. Print. Print again. It's going to set everything to print. It's going to ask you where to save, and you want to save it somewhere. So save it as New Song Bulletin Template 3, save, and there it goes. And then it should bring up a window. It'll bring up the Acrobat window file, and there it is. It's printed and or it's actually ready to be sent for final print. And so there it is. So you just go to File, and you want to make sure that it's actually at a good file size. So you just go to File, Save As, and where it is, it's right here. Just roll over it a little bit, and a little window will pop up with the name, the type, and the size is 293 kilobytes, and that is more than enough memory to actually be emailed. It's nothing too big, and it's actually going to print out very nice. And there it is. That's pretty much how you do how you print a PDF. And all you do is you just email that to the director or to New Song, and they'll get it printed. Anyway, if you guys have any problems or any questions, please give me a call or shoot me an email. You guys have a great